Hello, hello all RUPP members. I get the device, the microbit for extend board and same sensing device for the temperature and humidity. I disconnect to use the I2C connector directly to the cable to the sensing device. The IC code AHT20 directly connecting. Okay, and I explain the microbit program, the switch the screens. This is a microbit official homepage, and click the let's code and use make code editors and new project name for the RUPP create. And first the extension button and the type the globe in this box and search, then find the globe kit extend block. This click and add the extend globe block. Then you can use the AHT20 sensor unit. For example, first toggle the LED, the center dot to 2, and I use the advanced block for the serial communications. This block and the text for text the join this block, and next globe block, and first the temperature block, and the comma, add comma, and finally the humidity sensing block. Then this sample need the on the start block, only this block, and the wait for the 500 milliseconds. Select, and the microbit connect the to your computer, this USB cable, and next the connect the microbit this and the finally download this code to microbit. Press this button, then the downloading, and move it. This program move then the second LED dot the flash, and this show data device. Then you can get the first data, the temperature and comma, and finally humidity. This is a sensing unit. I press humidity is up, and temperature little up. Okay, that's all. Try it yourself. Thank you. This is that all. I hope you can get that sensing data. Bye bye. Thank you.